For a student to submit an assignment, they can click on the assignment, then click Create a Storyboard. The storyboard will be saved in the assignment folder. Then you as a teacher can view your students' work by clicking View Storyboards by Assignment on your dashboard and then clicking View next to the assignment. You will see links for student work separated by class. If you would like to see thumbnails, you'll find a Show Thumbnails button below the list. You can then click any storyboard to review it and even add a comment with your feedback here.